Hey, this is Eric Hunter here, and I had a question about the pendulum spin direction for yes and no, and how that also relates to pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing, because there's a little bit of confusion there if you're just a beginner. So a lot of people take their pendulum and they say like, well, if it spins this direction, it's yes. If it spins the other direction, it's no. So that's like a very common thing that people do. When you're doing pendulum alchemy, however, your pendulum will spin in a certain direction. It can go clockwise or anti-clockwise, either consciously by you making it happen that way, or unconsciously, like your hand just subtly moving and you don't even realize it. And the clockwise and anti-clockwise is thought to have significance in that anti-clockwise is taking away and clockwise is adding in. So the question is, well, what if I'm doing dowsing and it's clockwise, anti-clockwise, and then now I'm doing healing and I'm getting clockwise and anti-clockwise? Is my pendulum like saying yes or no, or is it doing the healing, etc.? So here is what I've found. I have found that doing this business of doing the clockwise, anti-clockwise for yes and no is like a terrible way to do dowsing and to get answers. It's completely unreliable. The problem is it keeps switching, because if you have a healing pendulum, like one of these guys, it's going to be responding to the energy of whatever you're working on. And it's going to start doing the clockwise or anti-clockwise to try to clear out or add in energy based on what's needed in the situation. Because these things just will do that. Like if you hold them over a chakra, they'll start spinning until the chakra is balanced out. So just balanced out my hand chakra there. But sometimes they'll go anti-clockwise to take energy out of like an imbalanced chakra. So, that's the problem with this yes or no dowsing. You're doing it thinking you're getting yes or no answers, but it may actually just be trying to balance out energies because there's another whole level to this going on that most people who do dowsing have no clue about. So I would say if you're using this clockwise, anti-clockwise for yes and no, stop. It's not accurate. Use a chart. Even a basic yes-no chart is better than doing it in the air that way. And with pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing, the yes or no thing is totally irrelevant because it's working with energies. It's not about yes or no. So I hope that answers that question and clears that up for you. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and check out my website, pendulumalchemy.com. I have lots of cool information to help you learn how to use your pendulum in ways that are for your highest good and the highest good of all concerned. Have a great day. Bye.